Welcome everyone. We are discussing circles. Actually, we are solving problems of circle using this theory x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equals to r square. Center is given and radius is given. So this is my second class, part 2. So today I will solve some problems using this theory. Now problem number 1. Find the equation of circle having center 3 minus 4 and touching the line 5x plus 12y plus 8 equals to 0. So center alpha beta is given. So what is equation of circle? X minus 3 whole square y plus 4 whole square equals to r square, because center is 3 comma minus 4. Now only one unknown, that is r. Now to find r, one condition is given. So what is another condition? It touches the line 5x plus 12y plus 8 equals to 0. So if we draw a rough sketch, now it is tangent 5x plus 12y plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is center, CP is radius. What is center? 3 comma minus 4. Now radius is obtained if we find perpendicular distance from center to the tangents. So what is r? R equals to Cp equals to mod perpendicular distance from 3 comma minus 4. So 5 into 3, Ax1, 12 into minus 4, constant unchanged, by coefficient of x whole square, coefficient of y whole square. So we are getting 15 minus 48 plus 8 by 13 by 13. So this is 40. 40, this is 25 minus 25 by 13 minus 25 by 13. So if we take mod 25 by 30, so we are getting r. So what will be the equation of circle? So put value of r. So equation of circle is x minus 3 whole square y plus 4 whole square equals to 25 by 13 whole square. So let us verify again. 5 into 3, 12 into minus 4, 48 plus constant unchanged. So minus 40 plus 20 minus 25. So denominator is 13, so 25 by 13. So one unknown, that is r, one condition is given. Now consider the second one. Here also center is given. So what is center? 3 comma minus 1. So x minus 3 whole square y plus 1 whole square equals to r square. So r to be determined. Now to find r, one condition is given. So these lines cuts off a chord of length 6 unit. So if we draw a figure, so look here, line is chord. This is chord, not tangent. 2x minus 5y plus 18 equals to 0. This is center. C 3 comma minus 1. Now AB is chord. Length of AB is 6. We know if we draw perpendicular from center to chords, then it will bisect it. Property of geometry of class 10. So AM equals to MB equals to 3. AB is 6. So AM equals to MB because CM bisect it. So we are getting AM. We need a radius, that is CR. Now CM we can find. What is CM? CM equals to length of perpendicular distance from center to 2x minus 5y plus 18 equals to 0 equals to 2 into 3, 5 into minus 1 plus constant unchanged by 2 square plus 5 square. So we are getting 6 plus 5, 11. So this is 29 by 29 root over. So this is root over 29. Now we have to find R. So from figure you look, R square equals to, this is by Pythagoras theorem, R square equals to AM square plus CM square. So what is AM? AM is 3, so 3 square plus root over 29 whole square. So 9 plus 29. So this is 38. This is 38. 9 plus 29. Now we need R square. So what is R square? R square is 38. One unknown, that is unknown is R square. So what will be the equation? X minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to R square. What is R square? R square equals to 38. Now listen again. So chord is given. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. So AM equals to MB equals to 3 because total length is 6. Now CM is perpendicular distance. So we are finding CM by Pythagoras theorem. We get R square. Now answer will be in simplified form, expanding. So what will be answer? X square plus y square, second degree term, minus 6x plus 2y. So this is 9 plus 10. 9 plus 1, this is 10. So this is minus 28 equals to 0. So this is the equation of circle and you may simplify it in standard form. So very simple problem. This is problem of Wbjee. Now we consider problem number 3. Find the equation of circle whose radius is 5 unit and which touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equals to 0 externally at 5, 5. Now, equation of circle, radius is given. What is the radius? Radius is 5. And there is a given circle. So, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equals to 0. First we try to find center and radius of this circle. Now to find center and radius, you have to express it in this form. So x square minus 2x, y square minus 4y equals to 20. So to make it perfect square, x minus alpha whole square, you have to add 1. X square 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. So y square 2 into y into 2 plus 4. So 20. Now 1 is added and 4 is added. So 1 plus 4. So to make it perfect square, x minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square equals to 5 square. So radius is 5 and center is 1, 2. Radius of the given circle. Now you have to find equation of circle whose radius is 5. Whose radius is 5. And it also touches another circle of same radius. That is same radius 5. This is C1 and this is C2. C2 is 1, 2 and you have to find C1. So it touches the second circle at 5, 5. Now look, C1, C2 are center of two circles. We have to find equation of circle of center C1. Now look, two circle touches externally. So from a well-known theorem, we know two circle touches if distance between them C1, C2 equals to sum of radii R1 plus R2. So both are 5. So this one is 5, this one is 5. This is 5, this is also 5. So we can say this is 5, this is 5. So P is midpoint of C1, C2. So we are getting P is midpoint of C1, C2. P is midpoint of C1, C2. So this to be noted. Two circle touches externally. Now look, C1, C2. Distance between center equals to sum of radii. So this is also 5, this is also 5. So P is midpoint. So let coordinate of C1 alpha, beta. So P is midpoint of C1, C2. So what is x coordinate? 5 equals to, this is alpha, beta. So alpha plus 1 by 2. So alpha equals to 9. What is alpha? Alpha equals to 9. 5 is midpoint, alpha plus 1. So also equating y coordinate, 5 equals to beta plus 2. 5 equals to beta plus 2 by 2. So beta equals to 8. So we are getting center. So what is the center? Center of C1. Center of C1 is 9, 8. What is the center? Center is 9, 8. And what is radius? Radius is 5. So, we are getting center C1 is 9, 8 and radius is known. So, what is the equation of circle? X minus 9 whole square, y minus 8 whole square equals to 5 square. So, simplifying, you put it in standard form. Now, this concept you have to use. So, equation of second circle is given, its radius is 5, center is 1, 2. And first circle, radius of first circle, it is given 5. So, P is midpoint. P is midpoint. Now, we consider same type of problem. Here, two circle touches internally. So, let us consider next problem. Now, same type of problem. Find equation of circle whose center is 5 unit and lies within the circle and which touches the given circle at minus 1, 3. So, same type of problem. Here, the second circle touches is internal. So, same type of problem, you have to find center and radius. So, there is also another method of finding center and radius. I will discuss it in next class. Now, we find center by expressing the given circle to this form. So, x square plus 14x, y square plus 10y equals to 26. Now, to make it 2 into x into 7, this is 7 square, 49, y square, 2 into y into 5 plus 5 square. Now 26, extra term 49, to make it perfect square, this is 25. So x plus 7 whole square, y plus 5 whole square equals to 41, 51, 49, 100, that is 10 square. So, center is minus 7, minus 5. Alpha, x minus alpha. So, center is minus 7, minus 5 and R1. So, this is R2. R2 is 10. Now, draw the figure. Find the equation of circle whose radius is 5 and lies within the circle. It lies within the circle. And also touches it at minus 1, 3. So, this is C1, this is C2 and it touches it at minus 1, 3. Now, we know two circles touch internally if distance between them equals to difference of radii. So, you know, since two circles touch internally, therefore, C1, C2 equals to C2P minus C1P. So, C1, C2. So, what is C1, C2? C1P radius Now C1P is 5. C1P equals to 5. C2P equals to 10. C2P equals to 10. So C1, C2 equals to 10 minus 5, that is 5. So this one is 5, this one is 5. So from figure, look, C1, C2 is 5 and C1P is 5. So C1 is midpoint. C1 is midpoint. Now what is coordinate of C2? C2 is minus 7, minus 5. Now this to be noted. So we need equation of circle whose center is C1. So let coordinate of C1 alpha, beta. So C1 is midpoint of C2P. So alpha equals to minus 7 minus 1 by 2. This is minus 4. And beta equals to minus 5 plus 3 by 2. Minus 5 plus 3 by 2. This is minus 1. So we are getting coordinate of C1. That is center. So equation of circle which lies inside the greater circle and touches it at minus 1, 3. So x minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square equals to 5 square. Radius is 5. Now center is not given directly, so we are finding center. So minus 4. So x plus 4 whole square, y plus 1 whole square equals to 5 square. So this is also problem of JEE Main. So we need result of class 10. Two circles touch internally if distance between them equals to difference of their radii. So this is also very simple problem but most important problem. Now we consider one more problem. Problem number 5. The circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0 is rolled along positive x-axis and makes one complete roll. Find the equation of circle in its new position. So circle is given. So as of earlier, we find center and radius. There are another method also to find center and radius, and this is very simple. I will discuss it later. Now x square minus 2x, y square minus 2y equals to minus 1. Now to make it perfect square, you have to add 1 square. Y square 2 into y into 1 plus 1 square. Now to make it balance, this is plus 1, this is plus 1. So x minus 1 whole square, y minus 1 whole square equals to 1 square. So look, this one. X and y coordinate of center equals to radius. So that is, the circle touches both the axes. This is equation of circle which touches both the axes. Now look, center is 1, 1 and radius 1. So this is 1, 1. Touches both the circle. This is C. This is positive x-axis. It is rolled along positive x-axis and one complete roll. So suppose this is position of the circle after complete roll. So this is suppose C1. Now radius is same. So you have to find its new center. So after one complete roll, so that is it will go, thus it will travel the circumference of the circle. So what is radius? Radius equals to 1. So perimeter. So perimeter equals to 2 pi r, that is 2 pi. So one complete row, so it will describe the path 2 pi. It will describe the path 2 pi. Now it is 1 and it will describe the path 2 pi. Now y coordinate is same. Look, since it is rolled along x-axis, y coordinate is same. So if it is rolled and makes 2 complete roll, then it will be 2 into perimeter. It is 1 complete roll, that is 1 into perimeter. So center, what is center? Center in new position equals to, what is the center? 1 initially plus 2 pi, and y coordinate is same because it is rolled along x-axis. So this to be noted. So this is special type of circle. It touches both the axes. Now it is rolled along x-axis and it makes one complete round. So perimeter, what is the perimeter? 2 pi. So center C1 will be x coordinate of the first circle plus 2 pi. Now y coordinate same, radius is same. So what is equation of circle? X minus 1 minus 2 pi whole square, x minus alpha whole square, y minus 1 whole square equals to 1 square. So this will be equation of circle in its new position. So this to be noted. So it touches both the axes. So today, through this class, that is of part 2, I have discussed some simple but important problems of circle. These are most important in board as well as competitive exam. So from next class, I will start general equation of circle. Then I will solve problems using general equation. So thank you for today.